Alright, it's wax time. Good morning. Okay, clear wax in this brush. I know you can't see that part, but I just want to get the corner good. And then get in these cracks. All these little cracks. Alright, so although it looks darker with the wax on, once it dries and it's buffed out, it will not be darker. It will go back to being the color, that you saw before. I'm just using the drawer to kind of blend the wax into the brush a little bit so that I don't leave chunks in the little cracks here. A few chunks of wax up here that I'm going to get out of these corners. I started with kind of a lot of wax on my brush, which better a little too much. You don't want to waste it. Better to have a tiny bit too much than not enough. Alright. Next step after waxing this here, as you can see, very, very old, very, very dirty. What I'm going to do with those just yet, but I think they're going to end up gold. I thought about silver. I don't really want to invest much more in it because it's been a lot of work and I still have to do the top, and I don't know what exactly that's going to entail. A lot of wax on my brush. That I set this desk on, the desk on the under the desk, because I know the shaking of it might have been aggravating to the viewer. It was certainly aggravating to the person working on the desk. Yours truly. So I know it's probably aggravating to you guys to see it wiggling around all the time. Okay, so that's it for the desk waxing. I've already went around. This is how much wax I used for the whole desk. I'm going to go back and buff it off now. I'm really anxious to see. It needs to cure for 24 hours and then get buffed again. So, fingers crossed. All right, thanks for watching.